Welcome to Vollrath University. I'm Chef Rich, and we're in the Vollrath Test Kitchen today to demonstrate how to properly operate your electric slicer. Understanding how to operate your Vollrath Electric Slicer will help ensure safe, consistent, and quality performance. Be sure to read the operating manual for your slicer before use. The first step is to inspect the slicer to be sure it is properly assembled and in good working condition. Confirm that the carriage release knob is completely tight and the carriage tray is steady and slides smoothly. Next, load the slicer by first sliding the carriage tray to the start position. Lift the product grip and place the food onto the carriage tray, making contact with the gauge plate. Then, place the product grip either on top or behind the food. Finally, use the index control knob to set the desired thickness and press the on button. To slice the food, use the carriage handle to push the carriage back and forth. When finished slicing, return the carriage to the start position and then turn the index control to the 0 position so the gauge plate closes and protects the blade edge. Then press and release the off button. If the slicer becomes overloaded, the reset switch will stop the slicer to protect the motor. If this happens, here's how to properly reset your slicer. First, press and release the off button and unplug the power cord. Remove the food that caused the overload and clean the slicer if necessary. Then, press and release the reset button located at the bottom of the slicer. Finally, plug the slicer back in and press the on button to resume slicing. Safe, effective slicing starts with a sound understanding of your slicer. To learn more about this or any other Vollrath product, visit us online at vollrath.com.